Move over, AirPods Pro, because Dell is entering the premium earbud game, but with a business-first mindset. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. The all-new Dell Pro Plus Earbuds are geared not toward music lovers or fitness junkies, but towards hybrid workers, Zoom warriors, and Microsoft Teams regulars, and they come with features to prove it. At just $229, they're priced close to the AirPods Pro 3. But Dell isn't trying to steal Apple's launch. They're targeting a different table entirely, and that is the boardroom. These buds come fully loaded with active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive audio with touch controls. It's got Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-host pairing for up to 8 devices. And that's not all. They included a USB-C wireless receiver neatly tucked into the charging case too, giving you plug-and-play support for desktops, older laptops, and more. What really makes these earbuds stand out are their work-friendly features. They're the first to be certified for Microsoft Teams, OpenOffice, and Zoom, with AI-powered noise cancellation that blocks out background noise from busy coffee shops and co-working spaces to chaotic family dinner tables. Battery life is strong too, with up to 8 hours of music with noise cancellation on, or 33 hours total with the charging case. For calls, you get about 5 hours per charge. The most efficient feature is the cloud-based management through Dell's admin console, which lets IT teams easily update and monitor lots of devices at once. So while these buds won't necessarily beat AirPods for casual users, Dell may have just built the perfect earbud for professionals who spend more time in virtual meetings than in playlists, and that was a whole separate market to cater. Are you a corporate ninja eyeing these earbuds too? Let us know in the comments, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.